I've got a great question about deeds, LLCs, and trusts. The question is, do we deed our LLC rental properties into our trust now or after the first spouse passes? Some details about this and clarity in just a second. Before we get there, I'd like you to think about a friend who's struggling with a what if scenario that creeped into their lives, but they were better prepared because you shared our videos. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So please share your questions with us, and hopefully together we're going to help some folks along the way. Now, just some clarity around this question in general, right? And the nuances and how this can impact your family. You're not actually going to change the deed ownership for the rental properties held in the LLC, right? You want to maintain it under the LLC because this is what gives the owner, hint, whomever the owner may be, the liability protection sought by using an LLC. All right. Now, when transferring the ownership of those properties, you're really changing the interest under the LLC, not the property itself. So in order to do so, there needs to be a corporate agreement that this change is going to take place, making sure, of course, any prior agreements allow you to do so. A resulting assignment of the interest from you as individuals to the trustees of the trust. And then, of course, subsequent, updates to the corporate records. Now, I believe and think it's wise to move forward on this sooner and not to wait until someone has passed. We assign these business interests for our clients all the time. We take it out of their name as an individual and we assign it to their trust. The key here is that it's avoiding the probate process for that interest in the business. So it doesn't have to go through the court and it won't be required to have a formal valuation, which is what a court would mandate. And that process alone can cost a bit of money to accomplish, not to mention the delay that it's going to have on handling the business and taking care of things. So as a reminder, of course, the LLC itself provides insulation against any liabilities for the assets of the owner. That's whether it's you individually or the entity such as your trust. I would do it sooner. That's how we roll. We hope you've learned something new here today and that you choose to share. And as always, please take care.